So why merchant center is required? Because when we have a data, and otherwise you can consider you have a table like manager, or maybe
Usually it's like a, suppose in a table when there is
Mhm,
different data,
mhm,
there are like different columns, right? Now
mhm,
suppose this is a name of one office,
mhm,
Enterprise Limited. Now for that
mhm.
Enterprise Limited, you merge those different cells and put it in center, and then it will have different columns,
Okay,
like
correct.
locations and employees,
Mhm,
or production, then distribution. But then
mhm.
all this data comes under this one private limited enterprises, whatever is the
Correct.
main.
Yes, yes, correct. You're
Okay.
right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So in that, I will just give an example so you can
Yeah.
get confirmation on this. So, for example, I have like technology.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe I can say technologies, because a lot of technologies I have to. Okay. So these are the technologies you can say. Uh, I would say type. Then I can say business.
Mm-hmm.
This is also repeating till here.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the technologies may be different, maybe subtype. I can
Mm-hmm.
say database related. Like these many are database related. These many are RPA related. These many are scripting related.
Yeah.
And the business, I would say these many are insurance related.
Mm-hmm.
These many are maybe auto
Auto
and
parts.
casualty. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. General insurance, general
Mm-hmm.
insurance, I would say.
Okay.
Okay, and these are some medical, maybe medical insurance, or maybe health insurance.
Mm-hmm.
And, these are some uh, home, or maybe I don't know what is the term of it, but yeah, I can say just home.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
fine. Yeah.
yeah, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Within that, there are main, or maybe I would say subtype, or maybe type,
Mm-hmm.
actual type, or actual. I just say in this SQL, I would say DB2, RDB, Oracle, in RPA, acceptor, um, then Alteryx, then
Mm-hmm.
Blue Prism, then UiPath, then scripting VBA, R, Python, VBS, and JavaScript. For in insurance, I would say different technologies. Let's say term, midterm, full term. Okay, these are the some insurance related. And general insurance, I would say auto, casualty, this uh, maybe uh, casualty. Okay, and some more maybe enterprise, Okay. And in health insurance, I would say Medicare, Mediclaim,
Mm-hmm.
Mediclaim, and some exceptional, I would say, exception Mediclaim. Okay, so like this, there are a couple of health insurance, and now their prices, like or prices, or maybe they have any certain amount when we need those in our system, or to having the insurance like that. So for example, it has 500 dollar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and likewise
Mm-hmm.
I'm just putting here some random numbers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now here, as you see, so there are why merchant center is required, as you said, like the same example you were talking, right? You were talking initially, or it was a bit different.
No, uh,
The
but did you
column
already
wise,
use?
column wise, and
Mm, okay. No, did you already use Merchant Center here?
not yet, not yet. I would
Not yet,
use
right?
now. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So, so why merchant center? I would say here, let's say, um, when uh, when same value is repeating more than two, more than one, okay, then we need to merge it.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the main purpose to having the merchant center.
Merchant
Okay,
Center. Okay.
so you
So
can
instead
see
of this
here.
technologies all
Hmm,
this time, you can just
correct,
have technologies.
correct. Yes, yes,
Okay.
right. So this is the main purpose. So what I would do, I would select this. And merchant center, you don't need to go to a merge across, merge sale, unmerge sale. Everything does the same work.
Okay.
So that is the reason you don't go to any. I would show you example as well, but yeah. So this everything does same thing. So you just click on this button directly. Do not go to the this drop down. So when I click merchant center, directly. So it says merging cells only keep the upper left value. Upper left value means upper corner, mean the start value,
Mm-hmm.
which is left side start value only. It would keep, and all other will discard, and that is
Right.
not once you discard it, then that is discarded. Once if you want to unmerge it, then you would not get until control G is okay to get it back, but when you are unmerging it, then you would not get. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I would show you that as well. Okay, so what it says, merging cell only keep upper left value means this is the upper left value right now in this range, and it will keep only that and all others discarded.
Okay.
Okay, so like this. And so if you want technology to be middle, so you have
Mm-hmm.
here this alignment, middle alignment.
Right.
This is upper alignment, top alignment. This is bottom alignment. So you can use middle alignment.
Middle alignment. Okay.
Same, I would go. And as I said, right, if I use this merchant across, we use merchant center earlier. So if I use
Yeah.
this, the same will work. So okay, so merge cell, when I say merge cell, it is saying same merge cells keep only upper left value, the same
Okay.
is the functioning same. So that is the reason, as I said, mergent center and mergent cell work same. And merge across only we working with the horizontal values. So, but the functionality is same. So I will show you mergent center and mergent cell are working same. And
Mm-hmm.
I'm done with those two. Again, if I go to the next column, database is repeating couple of time, multiple time. I go ahead and click on merchant center. RPA is also repeating multiple time. Then
Okay.
scripting also repeating multiple time. Then insurance, general insurance, health insurance. Yeah. And other than that, and I just aligned as a middle to the all these subtype as well. So these
Mm-hmm.
are all middle, and some word or maybe letters are not hidden, right? So I have to just add to fit this column.
Okay. And if there is huge data, then also we do have to select, and only then we can do this
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
merge
correct.
and center. Okay.
Correct, correct. But most probably you would not. We do not use the merchant center to use data, because this data, when we have a small table, then only this is applicable and attractive, or maybe that is suitable to the small chunk of data. If you are applying the big data, then that may be not the good idea, or maybe the
Right way.
logically is not
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Then all others are single time only. If I
Mm-hmm.
talk about any other in actual type, so all are in the same, or maybe single time they are repeating, not more than one. So I'm just keeping
Okay.
as it is.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Then simply you can just apply the border. Okay. So like this, it would, you can see a better way, or maybe so you can see uh, the merge and center is helpful in this case. So instead of repeating the same type multiple time, it is repeating only once, and that is we can easily identify, or we can easily say like this insurance are belongs to the business, and this scripting RPA databases belongs to the technology.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like this you can use here, and the merge across you can use for this like Rajkumar, and the merge and center is also works here on the merge across. So you can see,
Yeah.
right? So that is the reason this merge across is not useful anymore. And merge and cell is also doing the same job of merge and center. If
Mm-hmm.
I click this, it will give me the same result. So
Okay.
that is the reason. So despite of you are working horizontally or vertically, so you can use only merge and center, and you are good. So you don't need to go to the this drop down.
Okay.
So you just, and to unmerge, as I said, you would not get data back whichever is discarded, but you can unmerge it. So if you want, like for example, I'm here and I want to unmerge it. So you can go ahead and unmerge this. Otherwise, you can click again on this. So all are unmerged.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's where you don't need to go anymore to the drop down. You can merge, unmerge from this button only.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So this is how the merge and center works. So next, we can go the number formatting. So any question on that?
Not really. I think it was,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
yeah, I have used it before, so I had a
Okay.
rough
Okay.
idea.
Okay. No issues. Okay, so the number formatting, if you see here, these are the number formatting, which is
Mm-hmm.
easy to use here because these are the only available here, and you can see what is number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction. So you can see and you can easily apply here, right? So I'm
Yeah.
not going to tell this, but beyond that, when you are going to so these are the predefined number format. Predefined means these are already there. These are defined by the Excel itself. So you can go ahead and use it. So
Mm-hmm.
when you need to customize the number formatting yourself as per your requirement, that's
Mm-hmm.
where you have to go to the more number format.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So here, for example, as I said, so this is the short date right now. Okay, and if I want to change to the long date, so I can change here long date. So it is giving me
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Okay.
If I have anything here, random numbers into 100. Okay, so these are general now,
Mm-hmm.
and you can
Yeah.
just change to the number. So when I change to the number, it always become two decimal. Uh, it yeah, two decimal showcase here when I convert into numbers. So currently there is nothing in decimal, so that is the reason that is not showing. But yeah, if anything is in decimal, so for example 20, so it will show 20.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. So this is how number formatting. Then if you want to convert that into some other or maybe in accounting, so you can convert into accounting where you can give the you can get the dollar or euro or rupees, all of them. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
this sign, or you can say, okay, same way accounting and currency are same only. So if you see currency, when I copy this just as a value, and when I convert into currency, only thing is you can observe the dollar sign or the rupee sign
Mm-hmm.
is currency sign is a nearby number, but here the currency sign is
Far
uh,
away, a little far.
far away.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the only
Difference.
difference. But I
Mm-hmm.
don't know why that difference is there. But both are
Mm-hmm.
working same only, and so this is how you can change, or if you want to change the currency sign, so you can click here. This is the small button here.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the drop down. You can change to the dollar. If you want to change to
Okay.
the euro, you can change. If you want to change to pound or Chinese, so you can change it.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Then if you want to increase or decrease the decimal places of these numbers, so you can see here the increase decimal and decrease decimal. So you
Mm-hmm.
can use here, like if I increase decimal, so it would increase. Sometime if you want 10 decimal places, right? Sometime you want 4, 5, depend on what requirement. So you can increase
Yeah.
from here.
Okay.
So you can, if you want, you can decrease till
Okay.
3 decimal like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And if you have any big numbers like 20 lakh, sorry, okay, these many.
Mm-hmm.
So here, if I want to have the comma separated, like million, trillion, billion,
Yeah. Yeah.
thousands, like that. So you can use this comma separator. This will
Okay.
convert in the comma. And
Okay.
after
Okay.
comma, if you want to convert these particular numbers into dollar, then you can use the dollar sign.
Okay. Got it.
So this is how this very useful. Then if anything in percentage, yeah, you can use that. So you can convert, go to select the percentage, and this all of converted into the percentage.
Mm-hmm. Got
So
it.
yes, so these are the number formatting which you can easily apply here using this. But now time and percentage and the scientific fraction we do not use more. These are only for academic purposes. Academic purposes means when I want to release a book, or maybe I want to write a book on the science related or mathematic related, then we use this the scientific and fractions, that's
Yeah.
not a thing, but we do not use these two. We In the general, we if you want to create your own, then you can create your own formatting too. For that, if you are dealing with date, then what you have to do, there are three things in the date, right? The first one is year, second one is month,
Mm-hmm.
third one is day. Okay. So for
Yeah.
year, if you want four digit year in the date, then what you have to do, you have to do 4 times y. Then you
Yeah.
would get four digit year.
Yeah.
And if you want four digit year, then
Mm-hmm.
you have to use 4 times y in formatting. If you want two digit years, then you have to use 2
Why?
times y.
Why? Mm-hmm.
Correct. So this is the logic. Then okay, then for month there can be three possibilities. So one is full name, full month name, short month name, or maybe two-digit month name.
Mm.
Okay, so these can be three possibilities with the month, and you can simply for full month name you have to use 4 time m, short 3 time m, two time m.
Okay.
Okay, same goes with the date. So full day name, short day name, then two-digit day name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so full day is DDDD, DDD, DD. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so like this. So for example, if I apply the same logic here uh, for the first column, so I have to select first that range and go to the date here and number formatting and click on more number formats.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So currently the sample is showing whatever currently we have here, right? 11 March 2024. So that is showing here, 11 March 2024. And if you check in this list, if anything is suitable for your requirement, then that is good. You can just select this and click OK. So it would be get converts, because here
Okay.
only by default date format you would get, but in more number formatting you have multiple choices here. So whichever is suitable for your requirement you can go. So if you don't find anything here which is you required, then you can go to the custom. Okay, in
Mm-hmm.
custom you can go ahead and delete this in type. In type you
Type
can
whatever
delete.
you want. Yeah.
Yeah, delete, right? You can change, like I want day 4 time Monday, then comma, then month, then comma, day number DD, then year.
Okay.
Click OK, and you can see the date format is here.
But why was it 4 time MMM and
Yeah, to differentiate the month 4 time when should be
Mm-hmm.
like full month to differentiate between full, short, and two digit, one digit like
Okay.
that.
So
Otherwise, there
maximum
is
is four times,
yeah, maximum is 4 time, minimum is 1 time.
one
So I
time.
haven't
Okay.
given here 1 time because we rarely use it. For one
Mm-hmm.
digit, you have to use only M. For one digit,
Okay.
you have to use D.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then like that you can customize your anything. And one more example I would showcase here to number. Like if I have mobile number and these are my mobile number, and if I go ahead and convert this using some prefix means in bracket +91 or maybe something
Mm-hmm.
different, so like that. So the country code, so in that case I would go ahead and click on more number format and go to custom, and in general you can delete this. And for digits, as I said, do not use double quote anything. Just simply type whatever prefix you want to add, 91, and then space. Then when you are dealing with numbers, so you have to use only zero or maybe yeah. So 000, then 3 times 0, then
Mm-hmm.
4 times 0, like
Oh,
this.
okay.
So you can see sample above the whatever
Above.
type we are
Yeah,
using.
yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and if I click OK, then all are get converted.
Okay, okay.
Okay, if I use any other number like 989028 it will convert in that format.
Okay.
So this is how you can convert. You can use anything, any number or any date or any dollar sign or maybe any other things you
Mm-hmm.
can use. The same way, if you want to, like here, you can see very minimum dollar sign, right? Or maybe the currency. So you can go to the more and you can find more currency here, like all over globe.
Okay.
Yeah, whichever you suitable,
Whichever
so you can
currency you
use.
want. Okay.
Yeah, you can use here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there was a small difference between accounting and currency. So you can observe accounting, we do not have the plus minus. Plus minus means if you go to the currency, you can see the negative number can be there, negative and positive.
Yeah.
Yeah, but in accounting, there is no negative and positive, only positive and currency
Mm-hmm.
symbol is there. Otherwise, nothing. So
Okay.
sometime you would get some numbers when you are dealing with currency. So your profit can be, you could be profited or sometime you could be lost. Right. So that is the reason for currency, whatever you are getting or you are
Mm-hmm.
like the transaction can be in plus minus. So that is the reason it is showing in plus minus.
Okay.